Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Code scanning tools play a crucial role in identifying and mitigating security vulnerabilities, code quality issues, and potential bugs in your Python projects. In this tutorial, we will explore some popular Python code scanning tools, understand their usage, and provide practical examples. Code scanning tools analyze source code for various purposes, including security, style adherence, and performance. These tools automate the process of identifying issues, making it easier for developers to maintain code quality. There are several Python code scanning tools available. In this tutorial, we will focus on two widely used tools, Bandit for security scanning and Pylint for general code quality. Before we begin, let's install the necessary tools. Run Bandit on your Python code by executing the following command in your project directory. Let's create a simple Python script, example.py, with a security issue. Run Bandit on this script. Bandit will highlight the security issue, providing details and recommendations. Run Pylint on your Python code by executing the following command in your project directory. Let's create a Python module, example_module.py, with poor code quality. Run Pylint on this module. Pylint will generate a detailed report, pointing out code quality issues and suggesting improvements. Code scanning tools are valuable additions to your development workflow, providing automated analysis for security and code quality. By integrating tools like Bandit and Pylint, you can enhance your Python project's reliability and security. Regularly scanning your code base helps catch issues early in the development process, ultimately leading to a more robust and maintainable code base. ChatGPT.